Durable borosilicate glass provides thermal shock protection and a pure, clean taste. Illuminated LED power switch lights up when kettle is on and automatically turns off when water has reached a rolling boil. Lid opens slowly to control the release of steam and prevent hot water splatter. Kettle is cord-free when removed from the 360-degree swivel base and has an insulated bottom for easy transport. Non-slip. Comfortable handle provides a secure grip and remains cool to the touch. Cord wraps neatly around the base for compact, tidy storage. Perforated stainless steel filter strains water while you pour and is removable for easy cleaning. Kettle boils up to 1.75 liters of water faster than the microwave and safer than the stovetop. Features convenient ounce and milliliter markings allow for precise measuring. Voltage is 120 volts, 60 Hz. Dimensions: 9 by 6.2 by 11.2. Top reviews from the United States. Like Mama used to make tea, she made tea. As an Englishman abroad, there's nothing better than a nice cup of tea to start the day. A big mug of builder's tea, dark and strong, brewed from proper English tea bags, PG tips. In the UK the kettle is used maybe a dozen times a day, and given their 13 amp 240 volts devices they're fast as can be. That's how you can fit 12 mugs of brew in a day. I've had several electric kettles over the years, but this OXO model is the best so far. It's almost as fast as the models I remember in the UK, definitely the fastest I've owned this side of the ocean. So treat yourself and brew up with ease. Now if I could only find chocolate hobnobs at a reasonable price. Nirvana.